Present perfect tense, it is used to express actions or duties that are based on present tense but already completed. Words that indicate this tense: yet, still, already, since, ever, till now, for, etc. We have the positive form here: subject plus have or has, plus past participle, third form of the verb, plus complement. David has made dinner. They have gone to the beach. We have been at work for 8 hours. They have gone to the beach. They is our subject. Have is auxiliary verb. Gone is third form of verb, past participle. To is preposition. The is article. Beach is a noun and place adverb at the same time. Negative form is subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle and then the complement. He has not gone to work. They have not played still. I have not ate dinner already. He has not gone to work. He is our subject. Has is auxiliary verb. Not is auxiliary verb but negative. Gone is past participle. To is preposition and work is noun. Question form is have or has plus subject plus past participle and then complement, and at last it is a question mark. Have they studied for 2 hours? Has she danced for 1 hour? Have you drove since the rain started? For more content and daily lessons, please subscribe to my channel. Have they studied for 2 hours? Have is auxiliary verb, they is subject, studied is past participle, for is indicator and preposition at the same time. 2 hours is time adverb and complement at the same time. First concept is to express the duration of time. I have been in traffic for 2 hours. It emphasizes on the duration of sentences. The second concept is to express an action that just ended. She has just arrived. Third concept is to express unfinished time periods. They have drawn 2 bottles of vodka today. As speaking, it is still today and hasn't finished yet. The fourth concept is to describe a special moment of time. We have observed the sky since 2001. The fifth concept is to express achievements and experiences. I have visited this channel above 100 times so far. A. Have you ever been to Australia? B. I have been there twice. Be mindful that we often use either so far or ever in this concept. It only takes 5 minutes per day for you to learn English in just 1 month. The sixth concept is to state expectations. Either they are finished or not. For finished expectations, we must use already, and for unfinished ones, we must use yet. A. Have you planted the flowers? Negative B. No, I have not planted them yet. Affirmative B. Yes, I have already planted them. Concept number 7 is to express unfinished statements. We often include either for or since in the sentences. Julia has been a teacher since 2000. Has been, still is, and will be in the future. Note that for will be used with a duration, which is not accurate. Take 4 years, for example, but since should be used with a time reference, which is accurate. Take 2024, for example. And that concludes today's lesson. Remember to take notes. I'll be waiting for your suggestions and requests in the comments section down below. Be sure to subscribe for daily contents. You can also watch my prior contents from here. I'm Steve and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. See you.